Hi, welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn how to do a speed ramping and time remapping. All right, without further ado, let's get started. All right, so we are inside of Adobe Premiere Pro and I'm still using the all panels workspace. All right, so we have here the effects panel here on the right side. All right, so what I'm going to do is to start with, we already have a sequence here named 005 walking. So right here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it larger. All right, so to do that, I'm just going to click on this empty space on the V1 layer, double click it, all right, and you will see these it's going to make it large. All right, now I'm gonna press the plus sign to make it larger. All right, not that larger. How about this one? Okay, I can adjust this by dragging this to make it just right that. Okay, perfect. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna right click on this, all right, scroll, and then we're gonna look for show clip keyframes. All right, and we're gonna click on time remapping and we're gonna choose speed. All right, now we'll show you this line. All right, this line, you can change this line if you want to make it faster or slower, slow motion and fast motion of your clip. All right, now before we change anything in this one, we need to identify where do you want to put the slow motion or the fast time remapping part on your clip. All right, let's say I want to, there you go, I want to make it this kick fast. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a keyframe. All right, a keyframe. I'm gonna add a keyframe on this part by pressing this diamond icon. All right, it added a keyframe here. All right, and then I'm gonna drag this blue icon, and then let's say this one is gonna be fast, and then you'll make the slow motion again. So I'm going to add another keyframe. All right, and this part. All right, so what I'm gonna do is to make this fast. All right, this part of the clip, or this kicking part, if you want to make it fast, all we have to do is to make sure that you're in the selection tool here, and then all we have to do is just to drag this thin line, all right, on top. If you drag it to the top, all right, I'm just moving my mouse to upward. All right, you're making the speed 150, 160. You're making your clip faster. All right, or fast motion. All right, so I'm just keep on increasing and just dragging upward. And as you notice that the clip is shortened because I changed the speed. I make it faster. That's why it shortened the whole clip. All right, so just keep in mind on that. Now, if we're gonna play this video, let's play it. All right, as you can see, this part is faster. All right, now I'm gonna try to increase it one more time so that it will be really fast. All right, that fast, around 531%. All right, let's try to play with that. Okay, sorry, let's try to play that. Okay, playing. All right, that was really fast. Right, now just to make a time remapping smooth, all right, you can see these keyframe that we just added. You can make that smooth time remapping. All right, so I'm gonna click on plus sign to make it larger so that we can see have a better look. Now this part, all right, you can just drag it to the left. All right, so you can create a time remapping or a smooth slow motion. This one. All right, this part will gradually increase the fast to up to this percent. All right, from that from the normal speed of the motion, and then going slowly to the fast speed that you just set up. All right, you can also do it on this part too. All right, you can just drag it here, just drag it like that. Okay, there you go. All right, now just dragging, you create a time remapping, just a simple way how to do a time remapping. So what I'm gonna do, if we're going to play this, let's try to play it. All right, there you go. So it's making that smooth slow motion time remapping. If you can make it faster, you simply go here and then make it, push it upward. Right, so to really make it faster and faster, it's around 900%. All right, and let's try that. Let's try to play it. There you go. So that's how you do an easy speed ramping and time remapping on a simple clip. All right, I'm gonna try to make it really faster, but just dragging it really up. All right, there you go. So 1000% already. All right, 1000% already with the time remapping. This, let's try to play this. There you go. Cool. Now let's try to do it in the full screen. All right. And that's how you do an easy speed ramping and time remapping inside Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.